listen, with the combination of these home prices dropping as well as the interest rate decreasing, now is the time if you want to purchase a home in 2024. I can't tell you what's going to happen on January 1st, but the end of the year is, in my opinion, going to be one of the best times to purchase a house, because you're going to have the two things in your best interest: buyers. Interest rates are dropping. Today, the interest rate is 6.15%, and these home prices, because they've been sitting, are steadily improving. That's what we say in real estate world, meaning price decrease, price deduction, or clearance. Okay, I might have took it too far with that. But listen, if you want to purchase a home in 2024, please contact me today so we can get this process started. If you're already working with me and you want to see maybe if you are actually ready because you've been on a mortgage ready plan, contact me so we can get back in contact with your lenders and see where you stand. Okay, it's your girl J. Keller Sells Real Estate. I just had to throw that out there. I have been incredibly busy. I have been missing you all on social media, but hey, yeah, what it is. You know what I'm saying? This your girl J. Keller Sells Real Estate. Hit me up, call, text, email if you are ready to purchase a home. Peace.